Hey everyone, Chell here with Prismatic Powders. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of using stencils for custom powder coating. This is an easy process, and once you know what to do, it's going to open up a lot of possibilities for you, like creating logos or custom patterns that you can use on anything from brake calipers to bike frames. But there are a couple of crucial steps that you want to make sure you know how to do right, and we're going to show you exactly what to do. We've got a custom bike frame from Wolfhound Bikes, and on this particular build, we just need to put their logo on the down tube. So let's get into the process. The first thing you need to do is lay down the base coat. On this bike, they wanted desert leather. After the base coat is applied, you want to get it into the oven for a partial cure. And I emphasize partial cure because this is an important step. If you pull the parts too soon, the base coat will be too soft and you'll get an ugly texture when you peel the stencils later in the process. After the frame is cooled, we can lay the stencils. This is a painstaking process and you want to make sure that everything is lined up and perfect before you commit to the next step. The stencil material we use is our high bake vinyl film, and it can handle up to 200 degrees. If you go beyond that, you risk leaving adhesive residue behind. After the stencil is applied, we overlap the stencil edges with 3M 401 Plus masking tape. This will keep powder from collecting on the edge of the stencil and will give us extra buffer room when we remove the overspray. This masking tape can handle over 200 degrees for 30 minutes without leaving residue. Now, we'll apply the next layer of coating over the stencil. Next, we need to remove all the overspray and be careful not to bump the layer that we just dusted on. This is where the masking tape comes in handy. You can use filtered or compressed air carefully or wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth. It reduces the area of overspray and makes it easier to remove overspray without disturbing the stenciled areas. Once that's done, we've got to place it into the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not going to be in the oven for long. You can typically pull your parts in just a few minutes. What I'm looking for is a state where the powder just starts to gel. It gets a little shiny, but it still has a velvety texture. This is another crucial step because time and temperature make all the difference here. If you wait too long, you'll have hard edges, and we want them smooth. And the stencils will peel nicer too. We're going to speed this part up, but you should peel slowly and carefully. After peeling, we can increase our oven temperature and place the frame in the oven for a partial cure. The last step is to apply the clear coat, and then we'll get it back into the oven for a full cure. The clear coat is going to tie everything together, and the finished result is going to be dialed. Notice how there are no hard edges, everything is smooth, and the lines are very clean. All right, that is going to do it for this video. If you think this is something that you'd like to do in your shop, check out prismaticpowders.com. We've got everything that you need to get started, from the vinyl plotter to high bake vinyl film to the tweezers that help you weed and peel the stencils. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.